Have you ever pondered the essence of being a high-value man? It's a distinction few can lay claim to, as these individuals truly stand out, especially in their romantic entanglements. Their approach to communication diverges from the norm, casting a magnetic allure upon the opposite sex. How do they attain such distinction? Before anything, please subscribe to the channel. Such men naturally unsettle women without even exerting effort, while others, feeling inadequate, resort to inappropriate behavior. If one seeks to enhance their romantic relationships, understanding these dynamics is paramount. In today's discourse, we'll delve into 6 behaviors characteristic of a high-value man in his interactions with women. Join us on this transformative journey. Firstly, the admonition to refrain from excessive niceness may seem counterintuitive, yet being overly solicitous can undermine one's credibility. Discerning between genuine kindness and servility is crucial, as women possess an innate perceptiveness that detects ulterior motives behind excessive amiability. High-value men maintain composure and authenticity, understanding that excessive kindness may depreciate their worth. Secondly, injecting a hint of mystery into conversations is indispensable. Women are drawn to enigmatic individuals who defy predictability. Engage in discussions that captivate her interest with unconventional topics, avoiding banalities to pique her curiosity. Thirdly, mastering the art of listening and moderation in speech fosters a deeper connection. High-value men make women feel valued by empathetically understanding their thoughts and emotions. Fourthly, eschewing insincere compliments and cliched phrases is imperative. Authenticity eclipses superficiality, as genuine confidence resonates more profoundly than empty flattery. Fifthly, resisting the urge to stroke a woman's ego is pivotal. High-value men treat women with equanimity, refraining from inflating their self-importance, thereby fostering trust and respect. Lastly, confidently engaging in playful flirtation adds levity to interactions, reinforcing mutual interest and attraction. In essence, embodying high value doesn't entail perfection, but authenticity in relationships with women. By adopting these techniques, we cultivate respect, trust, and admiration, enriching our connections. If you found this discourse enlightening, consider subscribing and sharing your insights. Your journey towards self-improvement is commendable, and together we can ascend to greater heights. So warrior, if you've reached this far, I salute your commitment. Leave your mark below. And remember, the path to becoming a high-value man begins with a single step.